Morning, Ultra.
I'm trying to get some miles in with this shit hanging off my back.
Yeah. I just don't want to put. I need to put my wet clothes back on.
Yeah, that's the worst. Hi, Zinger.
Suckers with wet clothes. Morning.
Morning, everybody. Ooh, it's a big muddy puddle. The mud is very slippery. It's like clay. It probably is clay. Gross. Anyway, so, yeah, yesterday kind of was a sad end to the day because it was rainy in the morning. Yes, just kind of sprinkly here and there. And then we messed around and stood under like a privy and a bunch of trail signs for a long time because we didn't have the motivation to go. We should have though, because the middle of the day it cleared up. It was great, no problems. Sun came out. But then right before camp, like a mile and a half before camp, a storm came. Like the rain was coming down, lightning, thunder, everything. Yeah, and then that happened. That went on for at least an hour, and it was already getting kind of late. So, yeah, we basically all like stayed in our tents, and it was still kind of drippy and sad. By an hour later, it was already like past 7. So that was kind of our night, and everything was wet, of course. So we were just like, well, nothing. We're putting on wet clothes in the morning and wet bags, and it's supposed to rain today too. Luckily it didn't rain. It hasn't rained yet. So but yeah, packing up this morning was slow. Hornet wasn't moving at a regular Hornet pace at all. So he Arson and Zinger just kind of moseyed on and stayed packing up slowly at camp. I left with Ultra and Zamboni. Yeah, so I don't know, it's beautiful right now. Everything's still a bit damp, a bit wet, but I don't know. It'd be really nice if it didn't rain again. And then at some point, if we can dry all our stuff out, dry our tent out and everything. But yeah, we survived. So much burn area over there. Teamwork. Oh, we have a pretty big climb today. We are a mile or two into it. Ultra's enjoying the run. I said he's enjoying it. Starting to get above tree line. Oh my goodness. Going up this descent, which is definitely not the end, despite looking like the end. And we got a wild hornet over here. Oh, I think he just went. There he is. See him? There he is. So yeah, pretty. It's not raining on us, which is really nice. Since Zamboni's almost off. we'll work from the top down. He's there. Zanger and Ultra already up. And then you have another person who's not actually in our group. I don't know who they are yet. I haven't met them. It's a woman. So yeah, we're gonna have to like zig, 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 zig. Probably up to there. Yeah. It's a big climb. Still climbing. There's a person. There's two over there to the left. There's someone on the ridge. Crazy. Finally on the ridge line. And our friends are drying out their tents. We definitely need to do. We made it.
I bet. There was the next thing was on there. Well,
He's just gazing off.
there's no camping for another like until you get that meadow.
CD's the ultimate.
What are you doing, little buddy?
CD is the nickname that my dad
He's a senior.
I was like, CD?
Like a CB radio.
America. Oh no, now he's on my stuff. He's like, maybe she'll have something good. Not yet, buddy.
What do you think you're gonna get?
He's just looking. No teeth. Huh. So we hung out up at the top for a while, and actually Hornet's bag, all his olive oil spilled into his food bag, so I wiped all his food off with the wet wipes. And then then we decided we should probably leave because there's storms coming. So we are probably gonna get hailed on. Hopefully rain would be worse, but we'll see. Obviously it's a small storm, so we're coming off the ridge now. So it did rain on us for like 5-10 minutes, and now the clouds are looking really angry again. So here we go, round 2. Oh god, I gotta go all the way up over there. It's above us, but it's starting to blow away, I think. The rain's gone now, it went that way. Thunder's still here. No lightning though, so that's good. It's hailing. It's kind of painful. We had sunshine for a bit. Now we got some clouds, but still holding out pretty good. We are 2 miles from camp. Overall, I think it'll be a pretty good day. I hope it doesn't rain again. If it doesn't, then perfect. We're best friends. Don't let my best friend hear me say that. She'll be very unhappy.
Well, you did choose me over her, so.
What does it say?
Fire.
Don't hear it from me. Didn't hear it from me.
a weird thing.
I'm surprised you would think that.
Here is our lovely camp tonight. There's no rain. It's a lot of fun. Good morning.
We all just looking wistfully at the sun.
Yeah.
What's going on?
How did you sleep?
Who, me?
Yeah.
Good till all hell broke loose with the wind and the hail.
That only lasted for a few minutes though, right? Well, I was up and then a few minutes later I wasn't, so. First thing in the morning, we're climbing. Gotta be Colorado. Very beautiful morning. There's some pretty tall mountains in the backdrop over there. I'm assuming that's just something we're gonna have to climb out of when we go to Steamboat, maybe? It's really cool. Hello. Good morning. So, today's day 73, I think, and it's a beautiful morning. There should be no rain in the forecast. We'll hope for no random storms, but so far so good. All 5 of us are hiking together right now, but Ultra will carry on as we go into Steamboat because he's once again meeting his husband. He's meeting Steve. Steve's gonna pick him up and then they're gonna go into Steamboat together a little bit later. So we'll be gone from Ultra for a few days, but hopefully we can all catch back up to each other once we get back on trail. And what else? Oh, so Steamboat, very exciting. We are staying with Angela and Chris, who are friends of the family. Specifically, they are Hornets, Grandma, Mimi's close friends' kids. So it's going to be very awesome to stay with family friends and to stay in someone's house and not have to worry about hiker stuff like not having a car and having to hitchhike everywhere. So we're very excited. We've been chatting with them for months now, and it's going to be very awesome. And they've offered to host Zinger and Arson too, so it's just going to be a big old party. But yeah, let's see what the day brings. Today is supposed to be an easier day, but you still have climbs that are just fully straight up, which you probably can't tell, but oh my god, it sucks. A little more gradual of a climb. We have gone up and down all morning. Even a day with a less challenging elevation profile is still challenging in Colorado. Oh. This is windy again. Oh. Very, very windy. Hard to walk. Windy. It is still windy, and thank God for these trees. And we've been on this road for a few miles now. It's kind of nice to be able to make some miles, but it's a little bit gravelly still. So there was a car that came up here, And he said he cut all the blowdowns. And we're like, there's a blowdown right there. That must be fresh. And then we're talking to this woman. And then as we were, this blowdown fell. So we decided we need to get out of there quick. That just fell. That's crazy. We were like, maybe it's not a good idea to talk about the blowdown just falling in the area that it just fell. And then the next one fell. So, oh my God. This is a rough area. That was Jim's here. We signed his log. You should already be in there. Remember? Yeah. We signed his log at Trail Days. Use your imagination. Did you know those are primarily made from elk? More cows. Speaking of water, camp. It's actually pretty nice. I don't normally camp in fields, but as we were looking for a spot over there, a tree fell. So I was like, I think I'll go over here.